In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever felt lost trying to find a specific invoice, account, or memo, the universal search in QuickBooks Online makes it surprisingly simple. No matter where you are in your company file, look to the top of the screen and you'll see a single search bar. That's your all-in-one tool for quickly locating anything in your QuickBooks records, from customers and vendors to accounts, invoices, payments, and even journal entries and descriptions. Using it is straightforward. Click into the search bar and start typing what you need to find. You can enter exact names, like the name of an account or a customer, or you can type transaction types, dates, or keywords from memos and descriptions. For example, you might type rent expense, invoice 1242, payments on May 15th, or memo reimbursement. QuickBooks will scan across your records and bring back relevant matches so you can jump right to what you need. One of the best upgrades is that the search now uses AI, which means you can write what you're looking for in plain language. Instead of hunting for the perfect filter, try entering a short prompt that describes your criteria. For instance, type invoices from March over 500 sorted by amount, or expenses last quarter for office supplies sorted by date. The system understands your intent and organizes the results accordingly, helping you get from question to answer faster. A few helpful tips. Be as clear and specific as you can with names, dates, and amounts. If you know the exact account or transaction name, type it directly for the most precise results. If you're not sure of the exact wording, try a keyword from the memo or description. Even a partial phrase can bring up what you need. Including a date or date range like this month, last year, or a specific day can narrow things down immediately. And remember, capitalization usually doesn't matter, so focus on clarity rather than formatting. Keep in mind that search works across your records, so it's ideal for quick checks, spot audits, or tracking down that one transaction you can picture but can't quite place. For privacy and security, avoid typing sensitive information like passwords or private notes in your searches. That's really all there is to it. Click the search bar, type what you need, and let QuickBooks do the heavy lifting. With the universal search and AI-powered prompts, finding the right information becomes fast, intuitive, and accurate.